well, she says she doesn't much like driving. Yeah, right, but she doesn't like it, so she doesn't want to, and he's very sort of controlling and super rigid. He wants to be in charge of everything, and he needs to think that he's fine, with everything, and he pretty much is. He still runs miles around their house, and he pretty is in pretty good shape, but still, and she'd like to sell that beach house and get another place on a lake, which is, you can take a train to. Yeah, and that sounds like a good idea to me, but anywhere out of a major city, out of the downtown area of a major city, and you've got to drive somewhere, it's just the way it is. Well, God bless our nation, and may it, stay a democracy. Our country, the U.S. of A., may it still be a democracy. Because I keep thinking, every time he does something awful, I think, well, they'll get him on that. But they never do. They never seem to. No, I don't really see a crime here, somebody says. Oh, no. Yeah. Yeah. No, they're going to declare a coup or something. Well, yeah. Really, because they would have to get some kind of marshals in there to drag him out of the place. He wouldn't leave willingly. So he makes Nixon look like a Boy Scout, right? Really, at least Nixon had the shame to know that he was okay. Right.